Hello everyone, welcome back to the Netxl YouTube channel. Today, we'll be unboxing the Teltonika RUTX50 router. Let's jump straight in. Here we have our quick start guide and two Wi-Fi antennas. This is our 18-watt PSU and a GNSS antenna that amplifies radio signals. These are our 4 mobile antennas that improve signal strength. All of these antennas attach to the back of the router, and we'll see how in a bit. Here's the Ethernet cable and the SIM adapter kit. This is of course the RUTX50 router itself. If we look at the front of the router, here we have our WAN, mobile network and mobile signal LEDs. The WAN LEDs indicate that data is being transmitted through the router's ports. The mobile network LEDs show the type of network you're operating on, and the mobile signal LEDs tell you how strong your signal is. We also have the Wi-Fi band LEDs and Ethernet ports, along with the power port and SIM slot. Now, if we turn the router around, we can see where our 4 mobile antennas connect to our router, along with the 2 Wi-Fi antennas and GPS antenna connectors. You can also see here the USB port and grounding screw. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.